So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. In this problem it is giving that the line x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 uh, and parabola y square is equal to 4x intersect at a and b. So this line is intersecting this parabola at the point a and b, and point c is on the parabola, and point c is on this parabola, and angle ACB is given as 90 degree. So angle ACB is given at 90 degree. Then we have to find the coordinate of C point. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So first let us assume that the coordinate of the point A is x1 y1 and coordinate of the point B is x2 y2, and these points lie on this line. So this end point C is lying on the parabola. So we know that general parabola is y square is equal to 4x. So in this equation we can see that by comparing this and this, a is equal to 1 and general coordinate on the parabola is 80 square comma 280. So here a is 1, so it is t square comma 2t. So this is the coordinate of the point C. So our goal is to find what is the value of t. If we can find what is the value of t, then we can find this coordinate. So so A and B are both points lying on this line. So we can put these coordinates in this line. So this will become, these are two equations. And third condition is giving that angle ACB is 90 degree. So we can see that uh, A, B and C. So this angle is here 90 degrees. So this dot product with this vector is equal to 0 for this condition. So two vector are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. So this is the coordinate of A, this is the coordinate of B, this is the coordinate of C. So CA vector we can find by this way, t square minus x1. Uh, uh, this is the x coordinate, and 2t minus y1, this is the j. So this is our vector t square minus x1 I plus 2t minus y1 j. This is our CA vector, and CB vector we can find similar way, t square minus x2 I plus 2t minus y2j. So in this way, so we can do the dot product. So it will like the x coordinate multiply by x coordinate uh, this term, and y coordinate multiply by y coordinate is this term is equal to 0. So this is the dot product. So we can expand this. So it will become t power 4 minus x1 plus x2 t square plus x1 x2, and from here it is 4 times t square minus 2 times y1 plus y2 times t plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. So this is the dot product. So after doing the expansion it is like this. So now we know that these two equations we have, so we can combine this, like x1 plus x2 is equal to 2 times y1 plus y2 plus 2. And we also know that this line is intersecting this, then we are getting these 2 points like x1 y1 and x2 y2. So we can solve these two equations. So like how, so from here we can put the x value is equal to 2y plus 1 in this equation. So after doing it would like this. So this is the quadratic in y. So we know that the sum of the roots are minus b by a, and product of the root is c by a. So here a value is general quadratic equation like ax square plus bx plus c. So here it will become like 8, and this is minus 4. And we know that x1 plus x2 is equal to this. So we can put here y1 plus y2 value, which we are getting 8, and this is 2. So this is the total 2 times 8 plus 2. So this is equal to 18. And we know the product 2 times y1 plus 1 multiply by 2 times y2 plus 1. So we can expand, it is like 4 times y1 y2 plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus 1. And y1 y2 value is minus 4. So we can put here sum is 8 and this is 1. So this is, after doing all the maths, it is coming 1. So we are getting what, x1 plus x2 is equal to 18, and the product is equal to 1. So these two things we are getting. So now we have this equation t square minus x1 plus x2 t square plus x1 x2 plus 4t square minus 2 times y1 plus y2 t plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. So we know that the x1 plus x2 value is 18, the product value is 1, y1 plus y2 similarly we have 8, so 8 multiplied by 2 it is 16, and y1 y2 product is minus 4. So after combining we can say that uh, final equation is this: t की power 4 minus 14 t square minus 16 minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can factorize this like this way. So this is the two factors. So if you multiply like this, t की power 4 plus 4t cube plus 3t square minus uh, again 4t cube minus 16t square minus 12t, and then this. So 4t cube cancel with 4t cube, and minus t square minus 60t square plus 3t square become minus 40t square, minus 4t and minus 12t become minus 16t and minus 3. So this is the final this. So we can so the factor of this equation is are this: t square plus 4t plus 3 and t square minus 4t minus 1. So these are two factors. So if we equate, so one of them is equal to 0 for this condition to be true. So if we equate this to be 0, so you can write in this way: 4t is equal to 2 times 2t, and you know our line equation is x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0, and the parabola coordinate, the c point coordinate is t square 2t. So if you put, so the line equation is x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So you can see that the line equation is x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So if you put this coordinate here, so it is t square minus 4t minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is lying on this line, not the parabola. So these corresponding to the point A and B. We are but we have to find the coordinate of C. So we have to equate this equal to be 0. So here we can find that minus 4 plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 like this. So this will become minus 2 plus minus 1. So we are getting two values of t. So minus 1 and minus 3. So we know the coordinate of c is t square 2t. So we can put t value 1. So it will become 1 minus 2, and we can also put t value minus 3 to it will become 9 minus 6. So these are the possible coordinate of c for that condition to be true. So this is the our final answer. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe. We will meet in the next video.